So as we know, we are working on an engine. Engine is out of the car and it's more or less disassembled. It looks like that. So it's oil pan off. We can see how it looks from the bottom. So kind of like that, because as you can see here, this rod is a bit lower than it must be. I think here is in one surface, and this is 2 or 3 millimeters lower. So we need to figure out why it's that way. It's moving. So here's the oil pan. Looks like I missed some parts here because I can see previous owners tried to do something with it. I can try to focus on. So here the guys tried to glue it and insert metal things. Maybe you can see here better. See that? So, or it break it down somewhere. I don't know where it's gone. Probably it's not in the engine, but some kind of like that. And here you can see a pretty much of metal chunks in it. So in a pretty bad condition this engine is. So pistons is out, and this one is the one who are pretty much dead. What is left for the rod inserts? I think I'm calling them right. So let's knock it out. These are those metal chunks in an oil pan. So we need to clean this out, try to find new rod, or maybe I will update it with the forged ones, rods and the pistons. We'll see how my budget can fit in. Well, I hope I can modify them and place and assemble an engine as a new. Remove under frame. As you can see, this is silicone. I don't know. Does it need to be there, or there must be a gasket? We'll clean it. Yeah, because also you can see here there's the chunks of stuff. There's a bunch of silicones, probably maybe somewhere. It is in oiling channels, so that's why this one is dead. So now trying to remove the oil pump. Don't have tools to remove the bearing. Well, need to also remove the balance shaft. We'll see. I removed finally the balance shafts from on one and on another side, and now I need to remove the oil pump. I still don't know how to do it because it looks like I need the puller. So looks like that's it for today, and that's it for the engine. I think we can say end of episode 2 about the engine, because now I will grab the engine and go to shop and we'll check what I need to change, or guys can repair the issue with the piston rod. That's it. Stay tuned and subscribe.